Hey guys, Chris here. Today I have the original Magic Bullet blender. It has a great travel mug in it. It says it does any job in 10 seconds or less. We're going to find out if that's true, and we're going to make a tropical fruit smoothie. That's next. Okay, so we have the Magic Bullet blender here. It says there's over 40 million sold. There's obviously people are using this thing. They're blending things. They're making smoothies. So I'm not the only one. I did get this at Walmart for $39.88. They are on Amazon as well. Check the prices for that. This thing does a lot of different things. It says it does any job in 10 seconds or less, right there. Not that I absolutely have to have it in 10 seconds or less. I can wait a couple more seconds to make it right, but they are just letting you know this thing gets the job done fast. Making it fast and keeping it simple is what it says. So I feel I sound like an infomercial. Only $19.95. 3 easy payments of $19.95. But it does salsa, pesto sauce, cocktails, smoothies, which we're going to do in a few minutes here, and ground coffee. I didn't know it did coffee. How fun is that? Grind your own coffee beans. That's pretty awesome. Chops, mixes, blends, minces, grinds, and whips. I definitely sound like an infomercial. Let's take a look at this. It has... Look at this. Okay, so we have a stainless steel, they call it the stainless steel crossblade. This is your main blender right there. It's all intact. It's all intact right there. You don't have to take it apart to wash it. This is all dishwasher safe. And this attaches to each of the cups. They do have 3 different cups. They have a medium cup with a handle. That's my favorite. A taller cup, it's just slightly taller, and like this junior cup. So you got one for everyone in the family if you got a small family. So, and then we have various rings and tops, lids, and so we have, now this is just a resealable lid to transport it from wherever you're at. If you're getting in the car, I don't know who wants, if they're going to be drinking this, later on. Maybe, I guess you could take it to work and drink it when you get to the office, maybe, and it's going to get there without spilling. That's cool, I guess. It does have these, they're called lip rings, so they go right over the threads like that, and that keeps it, there we go. That keeps that edge a little smoother if that's an issue for you. It's called a lip ring, so it's like your teenage daughter, right? Yeah, Dad, like totally, like everyone's doing it. Oh. But so now you got lip rings and these tops, and then my favorite is the travel drink sippy cup, whatever you want to call it, what have you. This thing locks on really good. Look at that. So that's not going anywhere, and then you put that on when you're ready to go, and now you can travel with that bugger. So let's take a look at the main blender. Look at that. Wow. That is heavy duty. That is like a power tool. That is like a Black & Decker power tool. No button. There is no button on the front of that. You notice that? No button right there. But what you do is the notches on each of these cups, there's this plastic notch that comes out, and that lines up with these notch holes on the top of the blender. So when you put the grinder, what do they call it, the cross blade on, obviously with your ingredients in there, and you just simply line that up to the top, and you push down. That activates it right there. You can push it down and turn it, and so it stays on too, but you only need it for 10 seconds or so. I'm guessing you might need a few more seconds, depending if you're grinding ice or what have you. But this thing will secure like that, or you just push it down and just hold it. That's it. That's the essence of the whole thing. This does, I guess you can wind that up like that when you're not using it. Set it on your counter. It is sharp looking. That looked nice on my counter there. Does have a user guide right here. This has some instructions and mango coconut smoothie. So there's some recipes. Strawberry banana smoothie, salsas. Look at that. We got look at it. Turbo tomato soup. I just like the sound of that one. Turbo tomato soup. So they're giving you these nice little recipes, something to work with, and some instructions. I guess that's part of the 11 pieces to this magic bullet. All right, let's go in the kitchen and take a look at it. All right, the magic bullet. Let's do this. We're going to do strawberries, raspberries, pineapple, banana. Look at these bananas. Boy, they're a little dated, but not to worry. We open them up. I think they're going to be fine. I heard it said, another day older does not matter unless you're a banana. And apparently it makes all the difference in the world because you're on your way out. All right, so we got some smoothie juice and we got ice. There's the ice. I'm gonna get that ready here. Oh, I like to flip it out of there. There we go. Now it's ready to go here. So I'm gonna cut the strawberries up here just so they fit in the cup nicer. Not the blender will chop everything up, but I try to get my space down so everything fits a little nicer because they're not giant cups. These are for a single serving, as you can tell. So here we go with the bananas. See how they're looking. Open our, not too bad. Look at that. It looks always so much worse on the outside, doesn't it? So that we can so we're gonna start with, I'm gonna put the ice in the bottom, like that. Keep the necktie out of the fruit. And keep the necktie out of the blender too. Oh my God. That's scary. That's scary. So yeah. Okay, we got, let's do a little bit more ice here. Okay, and then we're gonna do our fruit. And we'll chop that banana up. Shove that in there. And I'm going to kind of smash it down because I want to get some yogurt in here. There we go. And I just like I like adding the yogurt. Just make it nice and creamy, plus the banana. So, and then I'm going to add, did we miss anything? Oh, we do have pineapple. I guess we could throw a few chunks in there. We're running out of real estate in there though. Got some lemonade. Do like just a little shot of that to get some liquid in there. And flavor. I like the tanginess of it with the fruit and the yogurt. It really, in fact, we're going to go just a little bit more. And let's get that pineapple. We're going to have to shove that in there, I think. There we go. Yeah, I just didn't want to buy a full pineapple for this experiment. So I thought we'd get one right out of the can. And there we go. That'll work. Look at that. And we get the juice of it too. So now that butter is really packed. Okay. Now we got our lid here. And I still got the lip ring on. Now we put that thing on. There we go. All right. Yes. Well, let's see. I guess we can get the clock going for that 10 seconds they keep talking about. Like I said, I don't have to have it done in 10 seconds. I'm not upset if it's not done in 10 seconds. After 12, I'm pretty ticked off. But 10 seconds, I can handle that. So, okay, here we go. And yeah, we're good. I keep thinking I gotta lock something down and it's gonna blow up in my face. But oh yeah, wow! Look at that. I got oh shoot! I think we exceeded our 10 seconds. Hey, come on. There we go. Hey, now it took. Yeah. All right. There we go. I think we got it. Look at that. Oh yeah, nice and creamy. What do we got here? Oh, nice and creamy. Look at that. Mmm. Smoothie.
All right. The old smoothie.
Where have you been all my life? Wow, that's nice and creamy. Boy, it really liquidates it. So if you want it even creamier, add a little more yogurt and maybe a little more ice and even just a little bit less of the lemonade, just a teeny bit. But there you have it. Tropical Smoothie, Magic Bullet. There you go. Okay, that was fun. Now I've been reading the reviews on the Magic Bullet here, and a number of people have had problems with it leaking. I believe like right here when you put this in here. So maybe it's right at these threads where they're having leak problems. So I would check the Amazon reviews and make your own decision about this. Also, a number of people said that the Magic Bullet just stopped working after a month, 2 months, 3 months. So do some homework on it. That's something that you're going to want to kind of see if you can figure out. I just can't figure something like that out in a one-time demo on it. So okay, next up we have our top 5 list. I like these, the funny camping t-shirts. I find these on the internet. So let's take it from the top here, shall we? Number 5, beer, or deer, bear, beer. It's quite a combo. I like that. Number 4, I go where I'm towed. I think of the Mater from Cars, the tow truck. I told you to go camping. Number 3, weekend forecast, camping with a chance of drinking. Drinking may be heavy at times. Apparently there's a lot of drinking when people go camping, so. Now the other one I like is, it's partly probable with a slight chance of iffy. That's good. Okay, number 2, people in sleeping bags are like fajitas for bears. That's kind of true, isn't it? They're all kind of wrapped up like a Hot Pocket. Except Hot Pockets don't get up and start running with the bear after them. And number 1 camping t-shirt, 5 Billion Star Hotel. There you go. Do that again. Hey! Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Keep biking.